Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create long form posts on Bluesky, and I will be on my account and make sure that understanding that a long form content is like are at least 800 to 1000 words long. This format allows for in-depth exploration of topics and providing valuable information that can engage readers longer. So then a shorter post which is usually range from 300 words. So if I just compose my post which is left, I will just tap on new post, and if I start writing on my post, and 300 characters can be maximum in this. But if you want to put them long threads on here, so you will just create a multi-thread post with up to 25 threads. Example, if I just create one threads, my name is Sharjeel. So here you will see the 280 is left my words, and if you just tap on this plus icon which is next thread, and if I just add on emoji, and here you will see the left is 299. So this is, you can just tab on plus and plus and make the complete of 25 threads, and in one threads the 300 characters is maximum. So after you can just use the 25 threads on here and preview your post, and before publishing you can just utilize the preview feature to see how your post will appear on Bluesky. This help ensure that your formatting and content flow well. So you can just publish and schedule. Once satisfied with your post, you can either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. So scheduling can help you maintain a consistent posting rhythm, which is beneficial for audience and engagement. So you can just know that focus on value. So by following these steps and best practices, you can effectively create long form posts on Bluesky that engage your audience and encourages and interactions. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.